Welcome to Camp Wamatochick. Come on, I'll show you around. Leaving my campsite in Quartzsite, I headed up into the mountains on Highway 60 to spend Christmas with my family in Prescott. I had not been to their camp in 7 years since the passing of my brother, which was sudden and very traumatic, given that he was relatively young. He was my only sibling, the only witness to our childhood. Spent in a vehicle, traveling as a family, in a gospel singing group. I felt very excited to see family, but also an intense trepidation for the feelings and emotions that awaited me. But when I drove in the long road to the entrance, though it felt surreal, I was okay. The love of family and the incredible gift of the memory of my brother and knowing such a unique and special man causes me to be so grateful to God for the time that I got to spend with him, because he was the best brother in the whole wide world. I'm at Camp Wamatochick in Prescott, Arizona, in the Prescott National Forest today, and visiting family for Christmas. And it is so gorgeous here, probably 50, 60 degrees. The sun is shining, it's beautiful. All these pine trees, they're so tall, if you can kind of get an idea. Stayed at the creek cabin last night, and that was fun and kind of private off by myself. And it's just an amazing day. So glad to be here. Haven't been here in 7 years since my brother passed, and it's just bringing back beautiful, wonderful memories. Behind me is the campfire area, and it's beautiful at night when Roxanne, my sister-in-law, will play the guitar and sing with the campfire. And I'll show you in just a moment. My brother erected a cross, and they have lights on it, and it's just beautiful at night, lit up around the campfire. Behind me is the Camp Wamatochick cafeteria, and the kitchen is pretty amazing, and they have a beautiful staff that feeds us real good here at the camp. And there's the dinner bell. Clang, 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 dinner time. And right over here is the nurse's station if any of the campers or staff need some medical attention. One of my favorite things here at the camp are these huge boulders. I don't know if you can see on camera how big they are. There's Bowser's the gift shop. This is an actual historic cabin, but it's really, really old, and it's the cutest gift shop inside. Hey there, bud. Hey. This is Creek Cabin where I stay, down a steep, steep hill, and they loaned me the golf cart to get around. Now this behind me, I never figured out what this was for, even when I lived here. Does anybody know? Leave in the comments what this is. Some kind of recreational game? I'm loving this old wagon. They even have it fixed up like it's ready to go, like a chuck wagon with all the supplies. It's just the most unique place. And if you have a group that you need a venue to be close to nature but be comfortable and great chow, then try Camp Wamatochick. Mike and Roxanne Straight. It's a beautiful day at Camp Wamatochick in Prescott Forest, Arizona. Having a great time camping out here with family. Going to be a mountain Christmas. I wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you get to be with family. Please be safe and responsible. Merry Christmas.